How to earn Metis rewards on 4Metas. Welcome to 4Metas, a next-gen Web3 gaming world where you can earn Metis tokens through multiple avenues. Simply play games, complete tasks, invite friends, and stack up gems, which can be converted into Metis rewards. 3 ways to earn Metis. Play games, earn gems, open loot boxes for Metis. 4Metas features a variety of exciting games where you can accumulate gems as you play. Once you've stacked enough gems, you can open loot boxes for a chance to score Metis tokens. How it works. Visit 4Metas website and play Choose Your Favorite Game and complete missions to earn gems. Use gems to unlock loot boxes and receive random Metis rewards. Complete tasks, earn gems, convert to Metis. Beyond gaming, you can earn gems by completing simple Web3 tasks like follow 4Metas on X, Telegram, or Discord. Engage in the community by posting updates or joining discussions. Complete daily, weekly official quests. You can collect gems, then use to open loot boxes and claim Metis. Invite friends and spin the wheel for Metis. Looking for an extra edge? Start inviting friends to 4Metas. For every new player who signs up through your referral link, you'll unlock a spin on the lucky wheel, where you can win various amounts of Metis. How to refer and earn. Grab your unique referral link from the 4Metas website. Share it with your friends and get them on board. How to withdraw Metis. Once you've earned Metis, you can withdraw it to your Web3 wallet anytime. Steps to withdraw. Go to the withdraw page. Select the amount of Metis you want to cash out. Confirm the withdrawal and wait for the tokens to hit your wallet. Congrats! You're now ready to stack Metis on 4Metas. Get started today and dive into the Web3 rewards earning on 4Metas.